back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what's inside my bag minimalist version. So without further ado, let's get started. So alam ko guys, pag nag-video ako, lagi nyo nakikita yung bag ko na nandun kasi yun talaga yung lagi kong ginagamit pag aalis ako. Okay guys, so this is my bag. If you have seen my vlogs, this is what I always use. Kaya lagi siya nandun para mabilis kunin. And this is a Donna Karan New York or DKNY New York. It's very simple, all black. And then may chain lang siya dyan. And then you can use it as a body bag or a shoulder bag. Ayan, ganyan siya. But usually, shoulder bag para mabilis siyang kunin. And anyways, yung opening nito, ganito lang. Like, you pull it like that and it will open. Alam yung parang makalumang pouch yung mga lola dati, ganun. It's very easy na makuha nun ng gamit. But anyways, ito yung bag ko. And it looks very small, pero alam ko minimalist version. Ito lang yung mga lagi kong tinadala and that I always use. So, yung type nito, ano ba to? Leather, I think. Pero ito yung leather na mabilis ma-scratch if mahaba yung kuko mo. Pero, iniingatan ko naman siya. Pero, alam mo yun, parang magalaw kasi ako pag lumalabas or parang magaslaw and very careless. Ganun talaga. Pero kung magasgas naman, it's okay because bags are supposed to be used. Parang kotse lang yun. Kung ayaw magasgasan, huwag mong gamitin. Anyways, okay. Let's start with wipes. I have wipes here. Lagi ko yan dito. And then I have tissue. And then I have a Human Nature hand and soap. Ito yung mabango para sa akin. Meron pomelo, but this one is Energizing Citrus. This is soap. So, yung mga CR na walang soap, you can just use your own soap. So, ayan. Parang 62 pesos and 75 cents. It is available sa Landmark's Beauty Bar. Pero, most of the time, hindi siya available sa Beauty Bar. So, Landmark na lang. Ayan. And then, extra tale, if ever super init. Like today, it's super init. I have my hand sanitizer from Beauty Bar, pero sobrang ubos ko na yung laman nito. So, yung nirefillan ko na lang siya ng alcohol. So, when you open it like this, merong pwede kang i-open dyan. Ayan. Kita nyo ba yung butas? Yun yung siya i-refill ng alcohol. So, and then you put it back like that. So, may lock siya para hindi siya accidentally natatapon. So, there you go. And also, I have this hand lotion. It's very small. It's very cute. Sobrang kasya lang sa bag ko. This is Baby Lotion Human Nature. This was given to me by my friend. Merong madaming hand lotion or hand sanitizer na moisturizing, but this one super amoy baby ka. Lagi kasi ako nag-alcohol and nag-wash ng hands, and ang tendency nun is mag-dry yung hands mo. So sabi nila, if your face look younger, your hands should look younger as well. Kasi pagtanda mo, magiging kulubot kasi lagi siyang exposed sa sun, diba? Unless lagi ka nag-sunblock sa hand. Usually, pan ka-sunblock ako hanggang dito lang. But since I always wash my hand and always use alcohol, you need a hand lotion for your hands. Meron sobrang redundant na. Anyways, what else do I have here? I have my powder na sobrang luma na. Ayan. Powder. Retouch lang. And then I have a ball pen. This is from Miniso. Ayan, super cute. Ganyan lang siya. Miniso. Tapos, I also have lippies of the day. So, currently, I have two. Dapat isa lang to. Usually, isa lang talaga. This is MAC in Powder Kiss shade. Mandarin O. Ito talaga yung laging nasa bag ko, yung Mandarin O MAC. Kasi parang sobrang fresh lang ng color. And, yan. Super love it. Tapos, recently, me and my beshi bought this Love Your Lips Happy Skin Catherine. I will do a review on this one. This is parang nude color. It has mint. Basta ganun. I-review ko na lang. But ayan, nasa bag ko siya kasi I've been testing it out for review. And also my phone. What else? I have this bag. Dito nakalagay yung coins. Pag may extra coins. And then, like small bag lang. And then yung wallet. Kasi, kaya siya naka-separate dito, ayoko kasi na madikit yung lalagyan ng money dun sa mga gamit ko. Syempre, madumi siya. I know ang arte, pero ganun talaga ako. Anyways, ayan. This is my wallet. This is a card holder. As you can see, puro cards yan. Wala akong cash, guys. Wala akong cash. Wala akong pera, pero may coins ata ako dito. Ayan, hindi ako masyadong madala ng cash because dati parang na-snatch na yung bag ko. Parang storytelling ba ito? Na-snatch yung bag ko, nag-aabang ako ng taxi, papunta ako ng OJT. Snatch yung bag ko, tapos nandun yung cash ko and cards and all. Wala pa akong credit card before. Pero yun. So, ayoko na magdala ng cash, nakakadala and nakaka-trauma. So, yan. Puro cards na lang. And yan. Starbucks card, credit card, ATM, blah, blah, blah. So, that's my wallet. Sobrang tagal na ng wallet. I suggest, guys, na mag-invest kayo sa wallet. Hindi yung bibili kayo ng sobrang mumurahin na wallet and then you eventually change your wallet over the time. So, I suggest na one quality or medyo mamahalin. Hindi man kailangan super mahal. Like, quality-wise na wallet para hindi ka nagpapalit. So, ito siguro 4 or 5 years na sa akin. But, yan. Ito hindi sobrang mahal yan. What else do I have here? I have my OTG. Kasi super puno na yung phone ko. So, I need OTG pag mag-vlog or pictures. Pag ayaw na makapag-picture ng phone ko kasi memory full na, you know, iPhone, gano'n yan, problema. What else? I also have here the key to my house, as you can see, to our house. Isa lang yan. Yan lang yung susi ko. What else? Hindi ako yung tipong ang dami-daming susi. I have this, pang masakit ang ulo. Pero hindi ko to madalas ginagamit kasi parang feeling ko pang masakit ulo ko, gutom lang yan. Kailangan ko lang ikain. Kaya yan, tatakawan. And I have coins here. So yeah, gusto ko naka-separate yung pera dun sa mga gamit ko na usually ginagamit ko sa face, sa hands. Kasi syempre, di pa madumi siya. So yeah, ibabalik ko lang. Kasi mas parang ayos. My keys and my OTG. And to be honest with you guys, wala nang laman tong bag ko. As you can see, yan. Yun na yung laman ng aking bag. Minimalist version ba yun? I don't know. Pero feeling ko kasi dati sobrang dami kong dinadala. And what else do I have here? ID. Like, this is one is PhilHealth. Meron akong voucher sa Healthy Options kasi lagi magbilo doon. So, kailangan nandyan yan para hindi ko makalimutan. And another receipt kasi magre-redeem ako ng GC sa SM pero laging offline. But what else? This one, the Ampao. Kasama to nung binigay sa akin. So, hindi ko na siya tinanggal ever since kasi feeling ko swerte siya. So, ayan! So, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Ewan ko, nakakatulong ba yung mga ganitong video. But those are the things inside my bag. Nakita nyo na mga laman ng bag ko. If ever may gusto ko hingin sa akin, tissue, wipes, alcohol, lotion, and soap, I have it. And huwag na kayo magtangkang mag-call up sa akin or manghingi ng pera or mang-utang kasi nakita nyo naman, wala akong pera. Okay? So, ayun lang, guys. And I'll see you again on my next video or vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends and family. Bye, guys! So, syempre, nilabas ko lahat. So, kailangan i-fix ko ulit lahat. Sa shoe. May order yan. The shoe wipes. This one. So, pinali ko siya lahat nakatayo dapat. This. Lipstick. Sanitizer. My ball pen. My cell phone. And my palette. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. Nakatayo lahat. Diba? Vertical lahat. Okay. Ibalikin natin siya doon.